English placement test, assessing language proficiency and skills.
Good morning. How are you feeling today?
Good morning. I'm feeling well, thank you. How about you?
I'm doing great, thank you for asking. What's your name?
My name is Anna.
It's a pleasure to meet you, Anna. How old are you?
I am 17 years old.
Fantastic. Do you go to school?
Yes, I attend high school.
What is your favorite subject in school?
My favorite subject is English.
That's great. Do you enjoy reading books?
Yes, I love reading very much.
What kind of books do you like?
I enjoy reading science fiction and fantasy.
Who is your favorite author?
My favorite author is Spencer Johnson.
Can you tell me about a book you've read recently?
Recently, I read Who Moved My Cheese by Spencer Johnson. It was fascinating.
Sounds interesting. Do you have any hobbies?
Yes, I enjoy painting and playing the guitar.
That's very creative. Do you play sports?
Not much, but sometimes I play volleyball with my friends.
What do you like to do in your free time?
In my free time, I like to listen to music and watch movies.
What's your favorite movie?
My favorite movie is Inception.
Great choice. Do you have any siblings?
Yes, I have an older brother.
What does your brother do?
He is a university student.
What do you want to do after finishing high school?
I want to go to university and study computer science.
That sounds like a solid plan. Do you work part-time?
No, I'm currently focusing on my studies.
Can you describe your best friend?
My best friend is very kind and funny. We share many interests.
How do you usually spend weekends?
I usually spend weekends studying, hanging out with friends, and relaxing at home.
Have you ever traveled to another country?
Yes, I visited France last year with my family.
How was your experience in France?
It was amazing. I love the culture, food, and seeing the Eiffel Tower.
Do you have any plans for the next holiday?
I plan to visit my grandparents and maybe take a short trip with my friends.
That sounds like fun. What's your favorite food?
My favorite food is korma sabzi.
Korma sabzi is really delicious. Do you like to cook?
Yes, I enjoy cooking, especially baking cakes and cookies.
Thank you for sharing all this with me, Anna. You did a great job today.
Thank you. I enjoyed our conversation.